basically this site allows me to mine BNB for free on this platform. So I will tell you also that how you can earn BNB for absolutely free from this website. Okay, so guys, I have provided the link of this website in description. Simply check out that and you can also earn BNB for absolutely free in very huge amount. Okay, you can see that I have earned 0.001 BNB for absolutely free on this website without any investment. Okay, so now I will tell you also that how you can earn like this. So first of all guys, you will find the link in the description, so check out that, and you have to enter your Faucet Pay email address compulsorily to earn on this website. Okay, so yeah, you can see I have 0.001 BNB, and when I will click on this withdraw button, so you will find a section where it tells that minimum withdraw is only 1 Satoshi of BNB. So yeah, I will withdraw this. Okay, in front of you guys, I will enter the amount 0.001 BNB. Okay, I will click on this confirm request button, and yeah, it will process it. It will take some time for processing, and after that I will receive my withdrawal in my wallet. Okay, so yeah, it's taking some time guys for withdrawal. So you can see your withdrawal request is being processed. You will soon receive it in your wallet, and you can see I have already withdrawn many times from this website without any investment. Okay, so yeah, this is the withdrawal amount. I have withdrawn this much amount from this website very easily. So now I will show you my Faucet Pay email address. So let me open it. Okay, yeah, you can see guys that I have opened it, and yeah, this is the section. Yeah, I have earned BNB here. I have earned 0.001 BNB. Let me show you. Here you can see I have earned 0.001 BNB absolutely free from 99bnb.cc. Okay, so this is the site guys where you can earn BNB for absolutely free and also without any investment from this website. So now I will tell you that how you can earn like that. So now I will open my account again, and you can see my balance has been reduced from this site. Okay, so you can see you will get 50 megahertz per second for absolutely free on this website, by which you can mine free on this website. And the free miner, in free miner you will get this much amount, okay, as a daily profit. But I will tell you that how you can earn huge income from this website very easily. So yeah, just by investing, okay, just by investing on this website, you will get these plans, and this is the free plan. In free plan guys, you will get 15 GH per second, and this is the daily profit, and the duration will be of 360 days, and you don't have to deposit anything to earn on this website. So yeah, this is your current plan. Okay, so if you want to upgrade your plan, you can simply choose this. Okay, this is the VIP section where you will earn lifetime earning. Okay, daily you will earn 2% profit, and the minimum deposit is only 0.005 BNB, and the withdrawal is also instant. And yeah, you can simply click on this add speed mining to increase the balance on this website. Minimum you have to purchase 500 megahertz to earn on this website. So this is the website guys, and yeah, many people are enjoying on this website, and they are earning huge income from using this. And yeah, the best section is the referral section guys. If you are referring some friends, so you can see this is the referral link, and you will clearly notice this 10%. You will receive 10% of deposit amount if someone deposited using your link. So for example, if your friend used your link to deposit on this website, you will receive 10% commission of it very easily, and without any investment you can withdraw it in your account. Okay, so the referral section is the only best section that I am also using, and you also have to use this to earn more income from this website very easily. So you choose this. Okay, and here you will find that the profit details based on your current mining plan. Okay, so from current plan I will earn 0.0019 BNB every year, but just by using reference I have earned a lot of BNB from this website very easily. In the account section guys, in my withdrawal section, you can see all my withdrawals. Okay, so let me show you all my withdrawals that I have withdrawn from this site, and I have withdrawn approx 5 to 6 times from this website. Okay, so yeah, it's taking some time to load. Okay guys, my network connection is a little bit slow, so you can see I have withdrawn 0.001 here, 0.001 here, 0.002 here, and this much amount here, and also 0.002 BNB here. Okay, and yeah, this is the site guys, so you can also earn a huge income from this website very easily. And I will tell you that you can earn a huge income. You can see in my deposit section, I will show you that how much I have deposited, because I haven't deposited anything on this website. A single penny I don't have invested. I haven't invested a single penny on this website, and you can see I got paid all the amount here. And yeah, you can see here that the action is pay now, means I have to pay here, and status is nothing. I have just clicked on the purchase amount, but I didn't pay for it. So it is absolutely free on this website. Simply I am earning a free income from this website. Like me guys, you can also earn very easily. So if you find the video helpful, just press the like button, hit the subscribe button now, and don't forget to check out the link, and you can earn use income from this site very easily. So I will see you in the next video. Till the time, enjoy earning.